vlog. So today I'm going to Hoskas village with my friends. I'm just going there to chill. So I thought I'd make a vlog because I've been there like 3 times and this is my 4th time. So I wanted to make this not really a vlog but more of a review because I'm going there with my friends and not everyone's comfortable with vlogging. So I'll come back, I'll make it a very short vlog and then I'll come back and review all the places I've been. So I'm back home. I came actually a while ago, changed and then had some rest. So now let's start with the review. So I've been to Hoskas village like 4 times and the places I've been to are Smokehouse, Delhi as you saw in this video, Social, Antisocial and then Levels and a Hi-Fi Cafe. So if I have to rate them individually, Hi-Fi Cafe, I went there for a party, so I don't know much about it because I just had a cold drink and a few snacks. So I cannot rate it on the basis of that. But if you say ambience wise, I didn't like it that much. It was okay-ish. I didn't like it that much. Then Levels also, I went there for a party. But I had a lot of food and the food was good. Not very amazing, but it was good. Even the drinks were okay, like mocktails and everything were like okay. But the best part about Levels is that it has an amazing rooftop. The rooftop is very beautiful, like if you just go sit there, you'll enjoy as it is. Then we come down to Smokehouse, which you saw in this video. The food is amazing. I had pasta, my friend had burger, then one of my friend had pizza. The food was really good and the mocktails were also really I am very fond of having mocktails. I love mocktails. So the mocktail was also very amazing, which I liked a lot. So then we come down to Social and Antisocial. So Social is a cafe / lounge and then above that is Antisocial, which is a place meant for poetry sessions and things like that. So I didn't like Antisocial at all. It was not my kind of place. But then Social was very great because the ambience is very nice. It's a cafe but it gives a loungish feeling. It's amazing. And the food was amazing at Social. I really loved the food and the mocktails. So as a combined package, Social is like very pretty, very nice. So if I have to rate all of these, so I would go like from down to up. I would go like Antisocial, then Hi-Fi Cafe, then Levels, then Smokehouse. I think Levels and Smokehouse are like the same for me because Smokehouse has like really good food and then Levels has like really good ambience and a rooftop. So if they could combine those 2 things, that would be amazing, but they are more of like same for me. Then we come at the top is Social because I loved Social. The food is amazing, the ambience is amazing, everything is very good. Oh yeah, and I forgot to review that kulfi place. There's this kulfi place, I forgot this name. If you can rewind in this vlog and see, that kulfi place is so amazing because it sells such unique flavors of kulfi. I had pan kulfi, which is pretty common, but I loved it. It like gave me a real taste of pan. Like if you have been to Barbecue Nation and had their pan kulfi, I loved their pan kulfi, but now this pan kulfi was amazing too. And then they give flavors such as like kiwi, lychee, and the flavors are very unique. You will not expect these flavors to be kulfi flavors. Then my friend got this pura aam, and they just took out a complete aam from the refrigerator, and we were just like looking at it, what is this? That aam kulfi was also very amazing. So I think on top will be my kulfi place. That was the best place I've been to, Hoskas Village. Overall now, if I have to rate Hoskas Village, it's like a place which has a hangout, I wouldn't say hangout spot, but it has a huge park, the deer park, where you can hang out. And in winters that place will be very, very amazing because you can sit by the fort, enjoy the sun, and then there is this great view, this lake. And if you have a great photographer friend, then you can just enjoy your time there because the pictures will come out so beautiful because of the environment. Other than that, it has like lounges and lounges and lounges and lounges and lounges. So it's more of like party place and hangout place. I mostly see people going for parties there, but then you can also just go out with friends, choose a restaurant and then just enjoy. Like when I went out with my friends today, everyone was so confused, like which restaurant to go. We took like an hour to decide which one to go in, but then I wanted to have pasta, so we ended up in Smokehouse. So if you're going there for the first time, I would recommend you just take a stroll and then go to Social because I really loved Social. Overall, I would rate Hoskas Village a 4 out of 5 because it's a great hangout spot, and what else do you need to hang out? So that's it for today's review. If you want to see more of these, then give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to check out my last video, it's down there, and all my travel vlogs and dance covers are right up there at the information button. And do not forget to subscribe. I make videos every Saturday. See you next Saturday. Bye.